Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, it's your first grammar class. First literature lesson has been given and work video has also been uploaded. Today I am giving you first grammar lesson, and the first topic we are going to learn is nouns. Nouns and types of nouns. Friends, the word noun is not unfamiliar for you. You all are reading noun since a very long time, I think from class 1. Anyway, noun, simply the naming words are called noun. Everything around us has a name, like all the things which can be seen or not seen, like we cannot see air, but it has also a name, that is air. Sun, earth, building, furniture, animals, people, each and everything has a name. Even the word noun itself is a noun, means it's a name of a type of words. It's a name of a part of speech. So the noun is also a noun. Now we are going to learn about the types of noun, and the most common are common noun and proper noun. Common noun: persons or things of the same kind. Example: girl, dog, country, buildings, people, my pet, a teacher, a doctor, a market, a park. These all are examples of common noun. All the common nouns are written with the small letter, means beginning with a small letter. Now comes to proper nouns, names of particular places or persons. For example, Islamabad, Reja. When we say simply a city, it may be any city we are talking about. Maybe we are talking about a city abroad. Maybe we are talking about a city which from our parents or ancestors belong to. Maybe the city in which we are living right now. But when we say Islamabad, that means we are definitely talking about the capital city of Pakistan. When we say Karachi, that it means we're definitely about the city which about are we talking, that we are talking about our native land or our homeland, our city which do we live in. When we say a girl, it may be any girl, but when we say Sahar Siddiqui, Reja Ahmed, whatever, what happens when we say these words, then certainly a specific girl come to our mind. Means we are talking about a girl whose name is Reja Ahmed. So these are called proper nouns, and proper nouns always start with a capital letter. Like you can see here, Islamabad and Reja both are written with the capital letter. Okay, now come to the next category, that is a collective noun. A collective noun is a collection or group of people or things of the same kind. For example, class, herd. When I say listen class, I'm not talking about the room. I'm definitely talking about the students, the collection of students studying the same level is called class. When I say listen class, that means I am addressing these students, this group. This group is called, the group of students is called a class. Herd. Herd is a group of cattle, like a group of sheep. Other examples may be a bouquet. What is a bouquet? A bouquet is a collection of flowers. 365 days collectively are called a year. When we say year 2020, that means we are talking about these 365 days of the year 2020. A collection of 30 or 31 days is called a month. A collection of 7 days is called a week. So, it was all about the collective noun. Now come to our next category, that is countable. Things we can count using numbers. For example, 3 cars, a man, an idea. These may be singular or plural. We can use a or an with them. But when we are talking about a man, a car, the singular a or an is always used with the single countable noun. Means a glass of milk, a jar of sugar. These are examples of countable nouns. Days can be counted, years can be counted. Now the days and years can be counted, but these things cannot be touched. These are called abstract collective noun. Abstract collective noun. Abstract nouns are those nouns which cannot be touched or seen, like honesty, like the goodness. Good is an adjective, while the goodness means achai is the name of that quality. So the name is the quality is always called a noun. And concrete nouns are those which are the names of materials, matter. Any form of matter, a solid, a liquid, a gas, like air. Air cannot be touched, but it has an existence. It can be felt. So it is also included in the concrete noun. And water. These are water, air, these are uncountable, but these are concrete nouns. Anyway, countable things are those which can be counted, like we can count a glass, we can count people, we can count roses, we can count fruits. These all things which we can count are called countable nouns. Then come to uncountable nouns. Things we cannot count using numbers. For example, oxygen, money, sand. Here, these things cannot be counted. They do not have a plural form. We do not use a or an with them, but we can use the in some cases. A or an is always used with countable nouns. Uncountable nouns never have the adjective or a or an. Anyway, we cannot count sand, we cannot count sugar, rice, some liquids, all the liquids like sugar, water, like oil, like juice. We can count a glass of milk, but we cannot count milk. Glass is countable and the milk is uncountable. We cannot count the sand, but we can count the sack. A sack of sand. A pouch of sugar. We can count pouch, but we cannot count sugar. So the things which cannot be counted are simply called uncountable things. Some materials are also uncountable. Then come to the next category, compound words. Words made up of two or more existing words. For example, blackboard. Black is the name of a color and board is another noun. These two words, whiteboard or blackboard, both things are collective noun. Washing machine, hair dryer, armchair, cutting board, these all are compound nouns because they have two nouns in them. Come to the next category, that is material. Names of materials or substances used for making things. For example, plastic, bronze, gold, sand, silver. These all things are called material nouns. Students, I hope you would have understand the lesson. If you couldn't understand, then please listen it again and again to make the concept clear. Now come to the exercise in your book, page number 4. Exercise D. Sort the underlined nouns in the following conversation and list them to the appropriate columns below. Now I'm going to read this paragraph. Hello, Rija. Let's go to a restaurant and have some coffee. That's a good suggestion. Shall we go to bistro? It's a nice place. I went there on my birthday with my family. When was your birthday and what did you on that day? It was on 23rd June. I had a party with my friends and family and had a lot of fun. I got many presents too. Aunt Jennifer gave me a ring made of gold and diamonds. And my sister gave me a big bouquet of red roses. Okay, friends, now you have to pick these underlined nouns and put them in their right column. And there are columns of proper noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, collective noun, and material noun. I think I should repeat. Concrete nouns, the name of the things which you can say are matter, are called concrete nouns, and things of actions, states, quality, the name of action, the name of quality, like goodness, like sweetness, these are called abstract nouns. Collective nouns are simply the nouns showing a group, and material, the things used to make things, the material used to make things. Okay, friends, do your work properly as I have told you in English Literature's work lesson work video, that you have to maintain your copy properly. First of all, make 4 pages index, 2 pages leave for syllabus, then make the title page of midterm, and then on the next page make the title page of your first topic, that is noun and types of nouns. Okay class, Allah Hafiz.